This flavor is so amazing. It's like there's music in my head.
No, not in your head. We all hear it. It's incredibly alarming.
Everybody, grab onto something. Don't panic.
Can't we do both?
Thank you, nature, for this display of strength!
Under different circumstances? Wow! This would be great for drying laundry!
I can fly!
Don't worry. Everything's okay. You good? Everything good? Hey, come back here, little fella.
Good job! Come on! I've got this area! Come on!
Hang on, Wembley. Everything's okay.
Everything doesn't feel okay! The wind is caught under the walls of the parachute!
Oh, no, buddy. Oh, it's okay. Just hang on, Wembley.
Protect the sweet radish!
What's wrong, sweet chunk?
Ah, it's just... I know we're all lovey-dovey with the Fraggles now, but... Well, what would my pawpaw think?
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that.
Pawpaw!
Oh.
It's me, your son, Pa! Should we be friends with the Fraggles? Oh, give me a sign.
Turn it off, Sprock.